Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're not going off on a road trip. We're going to be doing something a bit different. We're going to be doing a modification to the van. By that I mean I'm going to go and get a new set of wheels and tyres. So I'm just going to go ahead now and go and pick them up from the shop where I bought them from. So I'll catch you in a bit when I've got them. Okay guys, we're very close to our destination now, where I'm going to collect my new wheels and tyres. Here we are guys, we are at Rogue Alloys. Hi guys, we've made it back from our little trip to Rogue Alloy. Really pleased with the wheels and tyres that I've got, which I'll take you outside in a moment and show you them. But before I go out there, I'd just like to say thank you very much to Rogue Alloy for all your help today. Really appreciate that, and also a big thank you for the t-shirt. I really appreciate that as well. So let's go outside now guys and have a look at them wheels before I put them on. Okay guys, this is the wheels we got from Rogue Alloys. They're really nice wheels. I've got them in the satin black with BF Goodrich all-terrain tyres. They also come with a full fitting kit, and by that I mean the bolts that it comes with, or nuts, they're all colour coded to the wheels, and it also comes with a set of locking nuts. So what we're going to do now guys is I'm just going to go ahead and fit them. So let's go ahead and do that.
I wanna show you the real me. I wanna show you my soul. I wanna know that you feel me. Don't wanna do it alone. I wanna show you the real me. I wanna show you my soul. That you feel me. Don't wanna do it alone. Show you my soul. I wanna know that you feel me. Don't wanna do it alone. I wanna show you the real me. I wanna show you my soul. I wanna don't wanna do it alone.
Okay guys, that's the wheels on. All I've got to do now is give them a quick wipe down, so I'm just going to do that now. Okay guys, so I've finished cleaning up the tyres, so let me go ahead and show you them. So there you go guys, them tyres look really nice. They go really well with the van. Like I said, they're in satin black, all-terrain tyres. They look the dog's nuts. Okay guys, so the next thing I need to do is just take the van for a test drive, just to see what the tyres are like. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that now. Okay guys, that's the end of that test drive on them new wheels and tyres. Did get a bit of road noise from the tyres, which I tend to expect because they're all-terrain tyres. But all in all, really happy with them. So if you need any tyres or wheels, I'd recommend you get yourselves over to Rogue Alloy. Really nice bunch of people over there, willing to help you out. So what I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description for you so you can get over there and have a look. So that's it for this one guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.